Let's try doing some basic strawberry mocha. The ingredients are rather simple, which are usually portioned to your taste. However, to replicate the taste of the drink in this video, the portions are as follows. 2.5 teaspoons instant coffee granules. 1/4 teaspoon 70% unsweetened cocoa powder. For this one, I use Starbucks brand. However, you may use any kind of brand you like. Tastes just like Hershey's anyways. 1.5 teaspoon white sugar. 4 drops of strawberry flavor. For this one, I recommend the McCormick brand. 250 milliliters cold water. And 100 ml of full-fat milk. Just mix all dry ingredients together in cold water and add strawberry flavor to your milk. I always like to put my milk on top, so I add my strawberry milk last. Enjoy!